Hello friends, welcome to our Takshashila Gurukul channel. Today's topic is how humans can live on earth for thousands of years. Usually, a person's lifespan is 100 years. That is what is said in our Vedas is a century or a century. But how can we live for thousands of years or hundreds of years? Is there any way? You may ask. Of course there is. In the past, in the Mahabharata, Mahatma Bhishma, Drona, Virat, King Panchala, Drupada Bakalika, all of them had a lifespan of 400 to 500 years. At that time, the age of the Pandavas was Bhima, Arjuna, Dharmarai Krishna, their ages were around 85 to 90. How did they all live for 500 years? The question arises, does it not? Look at how animals like turtles, elephants, snakes, etc. live long on earth. Their lifespan is very long compared to the lifespan of humans. How is this possible? You may be wondering, this is definitely possible. The proof of this is Autobiography of a Yogi. Once you study this book, you will know that chapter 26 of this book is Kriya Yoga, a science. If you understand and read it properly, you will get a technique here. The author of this book was Paramana Yogananda, a disciple of his Guru Lavari Mahashaya. Swami Yukteswarananda, Paramana Yogananda propagated Kriya Yoga in America. Finally, his physical end was in America. He has explained in detail how a person can live for a long time in this chapter of Kriya Yoga, a science. Today I am telling you about that technique. The subject is very delicate. You have to understand that if a healthy person takes 21,600 breaths a day, if he breathes once every 4 seconds, then only if he breathes once every 4 seconds, a person will live for 100 years. If he breathes once every 2 seconds, then a person will live for 50 years. Remember, 21,608 360 equals 77.76.000 breaths are taken in a year. Normally, a person who breathes once every 4 seconds, if he breathes once every 8 seconds, then he will have 10.800 breaths in a day. From the inside, a person can live for 100 years, and from the outside, this is a science. If he breathes once every 16 seconds, then he will have 5,400 breaths in a day, that is 100 years from the inside. Life expectancy is 400 years from the outside. If you breathe once every 32 seconds, you will have 2,700 breaths per day. Life expectancy is 100 years from the inside, and 800 years from the outside. If you breathe once every 1 minute, you will have 1350 breaths per day. Life expectancy is 1,000 years from the inside. If you stop breathing completely and do Kumbhaka, you can live for as many years as you want. This is science. Maha Avatar Babaji has been on this earth for 2000 years. He has been giving darshan to many ascetics and teaching Kriya Yoga. He is moving in the form of light. He guides those who need spiritual guidance. Such a person should be ready to give Kriya Yoga to the world. He should be ready to give spiritual guidance to the world. Babaji's darshan is given only to those who are ready to give spiritual guidance to the world. If you have a strong desire to have his darshan, get up at 3 o'clock in the morning in Brahmi Murka. Wash your hands, feet and face and put a beautiful photo of Babaji in your house. Light a lamp in front of the photo and sit in front of it and chant the mantra that I will give you from 3 am to 5 pm with concentration. Chant the mantra Om Ryo Shri O Gurubhyo Namah. You will definitely have the darshan of the great incarnation Babaji. Continue chanting until you have his darshan. He has been on earth for thousands of years. He travels from one country to another in the form of light. In a moment he goes to America, in a moment he goes to England. In a moment he goes to Russia. In a moment he comes to the Himalayas. In a moment he comes to Varanasi. In a moment, he will come to your house and give you darshan, but you cannot tell in what guise he will come. He has the ability to change the body at will. He can come in the guise of a boy or a sage. He can come in any guise he wants, but it will be difficult for you to find him. He will come in any guise and guide you. He is a person who has reached the pinnacle of spiritual achievement. Generally in our education, there are steps in spiritual achievements like LKG, UKG, primary, high school, degree, postal degree, double degree. Those who are very advanced in spiritual achievements understand this. We give the initiation of Mahavant Babaji's Kriya Yoga to the whole world. It may take 5 years, 10 years, or one birth to achieve this yoga. It is in the hands of the aspirant who does the achievements. This is called Brahmavidya, Atmavidya. Similarly, we teach Kundalini Raja Yoga, which is a 1-year course. If Kriya Yoga travels at the speed of an airplane, Kundalini Raja Yoga reaches the goal at the speed of a rocket. A person who wants to do this yoga should not be subject to evil desires. Sattvic food should be consumed daily. In the morning, in Brahmi Muhurta, in the evening, in Godoli Murta. Aspirants who are interested in achieving the achievements can send an SMS to our number +91 9164447420. We will help you. We will give you an appointment, pay the Guru's Dakshina. You can take initiation online, you can come directly and take initiation. You must follow all the rules we tell you without fail. You should not use your own intellect in any way. The purpose of giving this yoga is that the whole world should be at peace. The whole world is like a family. Everyone should live happily and peacefully. This is our purpose. The goal of man is to flow by himself. Happiness, peace, and tranquility cannot be found if you search outside. It is within you. You have to find it. That is the goal of human life. Our ancient sages and sages lived in the forests and mountains, eating tubers and potatoes. They gave the ultimate truth to the world. The same Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, and Puranas contain a wonderful treasure house of knowledge. Everyone should study and understand this. Your help and cooperation are needed for the world to be at peace and tranquility. What is India? What is Indian? What is the knowledge of India? The world needs to know this. Whatever knowledge there is in the world, it has gone from India. It should be remembered that India is the home of all knowledge. India is the cradle of all knowledge. At a time when the world did not know what knowledge is and what education is, there were thousands of Vedic Gurukuls in India. Students from many countries of the world used to come here for free, including accommodation, and get education. For example, OM, thank you, a Chinese student. Many other students used to come from all over the country and abroad to get our ancient knowledge. Greetings.